Hey, wake up! Are you falling asleep on me? Come on, get up! Now a word from our sponsor. Alright, right here I'm cutting this plastic. It's about 48 inches long and approximately 6 inch in diameter. What I'm doing here is facing it. Now, why am I facing it? Because I want to redo that center. You see the center in there? I want to recut that center because that center was not, when I originally turned the OD, it was not centered to the OD. Now that I turned the OD and I put the OD in a steady rest, I need to recut that center so everything would be true. It's what we call concentric. The ID with the OD. Just lost the thread. You can see it's all wrapped up there. Okay, what I'm trying to do here with the air gun is to blow that little lead off. Sometimes you get lucky and it will float up and you grab it and it will prevent the small stringy wrapping around the whole material. Sometimes you get lucky and sometimes you don't. I'll show you how I fix that. I'm going to have to cut it. By cutting it, you're going to scar it. But I still have extra to cut it off. It's just not good. No es bueno. Here is because nobody helped me. Is the solution? I hope so. There's your solution. Nobody helped. In the comments, you didn't say anything. Okay, back here. This is not good. We got an interrupted cut. See? The strings are not coming out long and stringy like before. See, this is telling me it's not cutting completely. This is not good, but expected. I got enough material left over to clean it up. But I was hoping it would clean up, and it's not. Alright, what you're seeing here is I'm pressing in the shaft, the steel part there. It's a 416 stainless steel into the plastic roller, which is a UHMW. Alright, it's a 30,000 press. Yes, you heard me right. 30,000 press fit. It's a tight fit in there, and it's done with a hydraulic press. I forget how many tonnage the hydraulic press is, but it's very strong. We used to do 100,000, yes, 100,000 press fit. Yeah, try doing that at home. Look at this tangled mess. Having a bad day. Should not be like this. Oh, what a tangled weave we weave when we first practiced to deceive. I said that wrong too. I'm just telling you, it's a bad day. What a tangled web we weave when we first practiced to deceive. There. Now you know how it goes. Chasing this, and I got sick and tired of it, so I just let it go right there. It's a bad coronavirus day. Nobody cares. Yeah, a lot of you guys don't know, that's an F-35. I used to have the contract to make wingtips. Yeah, why is nobody responding to these videos? Alright, this is what happens when you lose the lead. And the lead wraps around the plastic OD, and it just gets out of your control. So I put it in slow motion so you can see everything that's happening. It looks worse than it is, and it makes for a good video, but there is no danger here. There's no vibration, nothing's jumping, and it's just a dramatic look for what's happening. Once I reach the end, you shut off the machine and it's all good. You know, no danger, you're not going to lose your hands or your eyes or nothing. So, enjoy. I'm here cutting these rollers. And this is my other company, Skunk Works. I don't know if it comes out. Hey. So here I got the program. See my reflection right there. And then you got the roller cutting. This is called making a convex crowning. It's an arc. So here we go. Takes 9 minutes. Alright, here's a bonus round for you. How to solder copper piping. And the guy right here is showing you the proper way to solder it. You can see how he's doing it. With the torch being held sitting on the tank, and he has two hands. One hand was holding the pipe with his hand, and then the other hand is feeding the solder. You can see this is the best way to do it when you have experience. Alright, I hope you to pick up this little tidbit and do it yourself. Alright, you see how he puts it in there? The heat is now applied on the flux, on the solder. Alright, thank you.
Feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming.